Patty asks, I lost some of my letter tiles. Can I get replacements? Good news! If you are missing up to 5 tiles, we have free replacements. And don't feel like you're alone. You're not the only one who's lost their letter tiles. We've had some really interesting reasons why tiles need to be replaced. Cute little house bunny chewed up the edges of the letter L. Maybe he was expecting some lettuce. And Abby sent us an email about a missing letter R. She thinks he's off ruling a mysterious colony of dust bunnies behind a baseboard somewhere. We've also had a dog pee on the letter P. To get your replacement tiles, just send us an email at orders@allaboutlearningpress.com. Tell us which tiles you're missing and your mailing address, and we'll get those right out to you.
I am recording that.